subscribers. Today we're talking about the 7 natural wonders of the world. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and put a like. The Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level, located in Mohenjo Himal in the range of the Himalayas. The China and Nepal border runs across its summit points, and the Mount Everest attracts many climbers, some of them highly experienced mountaineers. There are two main climbing routes. One approaching the summit from the southeast in Nepal and the other from the north of Tibet. While not posing substantial technical climbing challenge on the standard route, Everest presents danger such as altitude sickness, weather, and wind, as well as significant hazards from avalanches and the Kuba icefall. As of 2019, over 300 people have died on Everest, many of whose bodies remain on the mountains. An attempt on Everest is a committing undertaking which requires a huge amount of dedication and determination. If you are serious about achieving the top and feel you have the right ingredients and experience, we invite you to apply for a position on the team. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral system, composed of over 2,900 individual reefs. The reef is located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef can be seen from outer space and is the world's biggest single structure made by living organisms. The reef structure is composed of a built by billions of tiny organisms known as coral polyps. It supports a wide diversity of life and was selected as a World Heritage Site in 1981. The Galapagos Islands, located roughly 600 miles off the coast of the Ecuador, remained a closely guarded natural secret for millions of years. Over that time, the archipelago evolved into a home for an all-star cast of plants and animals. Sometimes in the 18th, some swashbuckling and pirates and intrepid explorers started arriving in the Galapagos Islands. The most famous early visitor was Charles Darwin, a young naturalist who spent 19 days studying the island's flora and fauna in 1835. In 1859, Darwin published On the Origin of Species, which introduced his theory of evolution and the Galapagos Islands to the world. Since then, word of this island and their magnificent beauty was steadily growing. In 1959, the Galapagos became Ecuador's first national park, and in 1978 it was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Red Sea is a seawater inlet of the Indian Ocean, lying between Africa and Asia. Its connection to the ocean is in the south through the Bab el-Mandeb Strait and the Gulf of Aden. It's underlined by the Red Sea Rift, which is part of the Great Rift Valley. And the Red Sea has a surface area of roughly 4,000 kilometers. It's about 2,200 250 kilometers long and its widest point 355 kilometers wide. It has an average depth of 419 meters, and in the center second though it reaches its maximum depth of 3,000 meters. And the Red Sea also has extensive shallow shells noted for their marine life and colors. The sea is inhabited of over 1,000 invertebrate species and 2,000 types of soft and hard coral. It's the world's northernmost tropical sea and has been designed a global 2000 ecoregion. The Lake Baikal is a rift lake located in southern Siberia, Russian between Irkutsk Oblast to the northwest and the Buryat Republic to the southeast. Lake Baikal is the largest freshwater lake by volume in the world, containing 22 to 23% of the world's fresh surface water. With 23,000 kilometers of fresh water, it contains more water than all the North American Great Lakes combined. With a maximum depth of 1,642 meters, Baikal is the world's deepest lake. It's considered among the world's clearest lake and is considered the world's oldest lake. It's 25-30 million years ago. It's the 17th largest lake in the world by surface area. And the region to the east of Lake Baikal is referred to as Trans-Baikal or as the Trans-Baikal, and the loosely defined region around the lake itself is sometimes known as Baikal. UNESCO declared Lake Baikal a World Heritage Site in 1996. Aurora, sometimes referred to as polar lights, northern lights, or southern lights, is a natural light display in the Earth's sky, predominantly seen in high-latitude regions around the Arctic and Antarctic. Auroras are the result of disturbance in the magnetosphere caused by solar wind. These disturbances are sometimes strong enough to alter the trajectories of charged particles in both solar wind and magnetospheric plasma. These particles may electrons and protons into the upper atmosphere. The form of the aurora occurs within bands around both polar regions. It's also depending on the amount of acceleration imparted to the participant particles. It's ending my video, and thanks for your attention. Bye.